For everywhere.
Sani manya ma fit he fan. Be makola ke in strong he fan. Because in your social media no eche. Twitter ne ken bote no 2010, Instagram neighbor 2012 we bote no. Facebook 2000 no cool.
Yeah, 2000.
So why you gen eche?
Because when I get ashishi eche.
Oh yes, ashishi eche.
So I feel like it's time I can work on me or batishni.
What for any be?
By force, what push?
Sani when you push, yes. Me, if I form me a gashia, in Papa Jiga, ni mammy a fante, ke I be. The one no fair, no, now we more than I can manage my fair cool.
Wow.
Ke school, in Casega instead of on a school, come I feel tree, Kega, Obama gun you near tree. She me in Casega, tree and in no, shamo, okay, share, okay, may, secondary school. What then sometimes I'm enjoy cash what forward we more that cash will feel like cash may be no shishi it will buy we more.
All right, so abladia be me feel like you can buy chocolate YouTube. I probably know feel like gas on in many okay when you me Charlie money on the cracky ball in your team in your call and you sure I can call your social media show you me one I can yeah vibe Anyamiyo.
Tete.
Don't worry, bunto yo.
Ofane mi ojuba.
Ojuba.
Wa de
che. Fite hifinai. For everywhere.
Sani manya ma fit hifinai.
But it looks like you are strong when it comes to Twitter.
Okay.
And your storytelling. Like.
Okay. Be makola ke in strong hifinai. Because in your social media no eche. Twitter ne ken bote no 2010. Instagram neighbor 2012 we bote no. Facebook 2000 no cool.
Yeah, 2000.
So why you gen eche? So it's possible I can no ni.
But over morning, you know, we are trying to push the guy and
yes.
You know, many honey mbanabu follow boni small because when I get guy ashishi weche.
Oh yes, ashishi weche.
So I feel like it's time I can work on me or batishni.
What for any be?
By force, what push?
Sani when you push, yes. Yes, in an akanye wadenche. Me, if I form me a gashia, in Papa Jiga, ni mammy a fante, ke I be. The one no fair, no, now we more than I can manage my fair cool.
Wow.
Yes, she no need have me advantage. Waji. I could show anyone him here that a be she or doko una can be it was a have vibe a hand in case other things like a fata he it was no you want me ke school in Casega instead of una school come I feel tree kega obana gan you near tree she me in Casega tree any no shamo okay me share okay me secondary school it was in Case tree it was in real fluently.
But when you notice, game what they may be what fun like why he Kumasi ala Santi really, but what you chiwa
okay, makola ke because ejakeshi ame baby p ame baga p ame asante tree bi ame ga p wa dente she wo ya iko dey ni dem pen was more where one man Ghana was small most of the time we are very comfortable here anywhere you and it's not bad. She he wan ke she ba fan be feel ko ni o ya kweno ni ya no ye he kunklo every day no elenko
ole no ni gba anjo mo na keji wo ya me there she was tabi no one am should I say like nim lewe baby she no or no so it's like no koko
ole what then sometimes enjoy ke she what forward we more that ke she bo feel like she may be no shishi e wo ba we twie mo una ne mi nyanumani yoni twi bi jame kenka men we nke gan foto on ke ka men bi mi ake ekole what's the meaning of this what's the meaning ke nchon lebe nke ba ke come on once know your gan sa no nye no wie gan fio ko ni ko te heko tama Jamestown Teshi Labadi Osu obanye no communicate because the indigents say jam of fame ni banya ni ewi otwie apart from Ghana I call it Blofoji next she as Ghana people there was money what we mo ka we share can be no we which is very right onani it was that's the problem me dan enko akeke Ghana jibo ni o for be a man say choma lega Honey Casikela, I read. I'm a honey and you could shout out to Rosalind. UK Rosalind Ashka I can be a real ga. It's a video we can try a ga. So no I catch see. It's very important. If it more what he blufful, what he all other nine she will gown, will never mommy chun. I don't know who else and you walk back she want honey gam more a batom or demoson. What de demoson onishishi. Mean care because Moko send me dear Makeshi and Kevin can demo few after ninke like a she. Mofia moke no me in way ninke few near and get demo manima fail in person in Kenya me. She internet me I'm exposed to a lot of people, a lot of young people. Can you be a I want people to know Ghana people don't only insult. Exactly. When you're who are fluent Ghana without having excuse me to say on your saw me on your those are what we call national anthem. Those are just frivolities. Yeah, it's not intense.
Only what story know you about the couple never am around. Why have you stopped?
Okay, so it wasn't a full story. I happened to have hosted a whole family in Ghana, and then when they left to Nigeria, I'm a Chawakeshi, I'm a Bikenya Mba. It was I'm in town with Nikame backpashi, Ninka own Kame backpashi. It was Ninkame backpashi. Ni face story around it. Can another people Nimba Ghana and I'm in town Ninkame backpashi. I'll create another story around it. Yes, I know how it caught on. People were really
went well.
Yeah, people were really interested.
People were like,
yeah, people were really interested. Yeah, they came for just about a few days.
But I think how can they reach out to you? Could driver me
around it. So what it is that if you are family and friends of the family and friends. Reason being Akeshi. If you're in the BP work, if you're busy, feel she care what I no reach me. Just send me a message on Instagram, Tatascaritas. Care what date say here I can plan towards it for you. She care what date say benke bagbana ni yenuchumo can be ni fear.
But as I know can be no fear ni
ni be ni wo fear. Ni be ni fear fa. Like she ga ye was mo ni chumo. Ewo ni be ni fear fa. Ma check ko run no advertising agency. Ewo of your social media management, strategy production, local commercial few. Una ke jeda ni mo fia mo yo shika ni ba fi commercial agbo. Ewe ko local you ko no ba fi for digital. Yeah, oba massage le fia bo fear no hu. We are there for all of that. Then you call back in a nuchumo into money home or a war. Iho inke biane target jimana shop here makola means only ni magbele na kan gba ha mi no G1 it will biane inke ni bi jo Rwanda inke ba me a good product it will no ni min kwen inke kumba link yes inke kumba ni maba home mini wo I want to trade around Africa. I don't mind doing the others, but Africa has something, and that is what I want to tap into. And so my trade mindset is for Africa, within the whole of Africa. Go to the countries, find good products that Ghanaians can, use for their everyday life, and just bring it into town. If your social media content creation, if you're influencing, you run no ads, those ones are just, by the way, when you book me, I'll do the work for you. That one
trustable because you have the vibe and Olenuchumo. You've been doing it for.
Oh yeah, I've been doing it for a long time. I've been doing everything for a long time.
But let's come to the main reason when you were not selling brand.
Okay.
Kenkey for the needy. Come on, try what to English.
Okay. It was Kenkey for the needy. AG, my party. In your party. Okay, it's a fundraiser. It's a fundraiser. AG event when you were few and you work a boash kana. Ni woke wa hini schools ni amebeko can be come na mentawo e were born in 2015 and what fear 2020 what fear 2023 what fear all the other years what fear ni this year one fear on 3rd of August 2024 yeah if was Sutherland Children's Park wake ba no ba ye komi ni ga ni ojimi enya ni nka o mo afi you can't hate
Kenkey
and still love your ex. Your ex is not better than Kenkey. I'm sorry. So it was on a t-shirt and a dream more here. She mini ex fable. No, okay, equate coming. Sweet coming is is doing the job.
You can't be in Accra. Ni Obakake Oti
Ma.
I
like it when we say that.
No, actually.
Tima
Oti.
I like yeah.
Atima. But kept contact with support. How
okay. O fine Obakwe screen no inyemke number ba meje obanye ni o reach out to work care we no ko nota okay about na kan bile po ba ni okay ba our children's park wo mi fuku wo ba ya school 3 weeks after the event wo ba start akeshi won ya jeme ko ni wo boy project wo okay wo ba ni follow what tata sem friends here if you wo ba wa gbele YouTube wo ba na ni bi ani wo fi ofen ko ta wo no wa wo ka wo ye man se no ta wo no wa wo ba ni ani o wa wo ngona kenkele kwe that managing first time me inkele kwe wo physically e wo manya ni inkela we other things moko bi mi akeshi ma ba mfe ni bi ye Ghana community say I needed to study the Ghana communities before I launch or I go there because okay me back my okay what's anewa yes but what's anewa few e da keshi ntuni ye Ghana community say come da ni I mean aneto mi den che e wo Insumo ni ma fe no ko ye wo community say ne ba fe just easy. Minta no ko ni ba fe sustainable. Ka wo kan ko teje me be won fe e ba machine continuously. And I know actually we all need we need that attendance. Well, I mean it's something we are working towards. Me and school ko ni your western region ni I'm a reach out to me. Your Twitter no. Like social media work a show. She jame thank you. One mo ko ni reach me jame ni inte ni nim na ni until ake wo ba gbe na kan ni chumo na nsimo ni makore konkuru mi to ma gbe na ye jeme keke what it will be nice to meet more Ghana people who want us to do things for the Ghana community. We will just align with our schedules and make sure that it works, and then we can see how we can help. It can be then checking jeme sometimes and call jeme I'm a jemo yen to me I catch mini manyama fee ni as I said before nye no teshi keke no fee loco it's an owner a full plan me name wo boy am be a plan mo eche keje last year wo obagbe no na be wo kwenu me wo don't worry
Charlie as usual abladia bi nyeka yanipi we'll follow up with the story school project there obanya updates and all that and any other thing mean like Charlie wanya okechi that we more is no
yes obanya manyama ke no kokumi
wanya okefita
that's why even though ni one project Ghana we always have to have that one mindset okay we fair Ghana video in your messages come any it's not really nice ni injo akeshi ni I'm not tribalistic because ka okwemie I gbe yen lami fante yen lami daniga she Ghana mommy mommy back mama Ghana mommy that can be a chance more I love being a Ghana for a no una she as much as possible let's try to act like one people I cannot if your war say fashion that's what I'm trying to say we are all Ghanaians and like they can be anyone that wow my friend future leaders can there shouldn't be enmity they should be able to work together as one people what can we say Ghana Jimmy project here they conclude no one can here buying with Biano on the ground there you don't know the number of Ghana people I take care of but it doesn't have to be Ghana people human beings in general tribe has nothing to do with it and it's one thing that we need to really embrace. I believe we love each other as Ghana people but let's also love each other as Ghanaians as like one blood. Well, that's just one of the things she mean block or people who send me such messages. Yes, no, like we don't like nonsense. Well, call by Nova Feast, we'll find a Majibu Jane.
All right, don't okay.
Oh, of course, why not? I mean,
thank you. Okay, we'll share Kenkey for this.
Yeah.
And I pray, find a call on a bomb and then go and support. I'll try my best to be there on that day.
Busy bee, should I try your best?
I'll definitely be there. What you want you say, but
oh fine ina gbe mo le if gameji wo bi sure ya ke gameji wo o fine ka o kwemi ye come me no ha mi onu ye come feel ni okay kwa o body me agbe ne ho e chale ka o ye ko ni onyami ga ni town no ko ni ba nya ni o wale find yourself in an institution no ko o fine no onyo wale ni wo fen wo wa wo yo shi bia na e be easy easy she has ani wonye wo wa wo he una and no me no janimo no small friend was fan that's all
and me you radon
o find the bon radon she da
okay yeah radon akenye kwa wo kabata na gbe be konkule maba ogbeko as I always say actually me aka ganyobi ola bawo